added over 5 cars. And the first car is the Cadillac, the second is the X5, and the X5 have multiple trims. Here we got the X5M, the base model M Sport, and the M30i, as well as the base model. And that's about the whole dealership. By the way, I haven't shown the sedan one. I will show it later. Yep, that's the new Cadillac Drag. It's the brand new limited, and we're gonna see how it goes. Also, there's a brand new code. I will show it on screen later in the video. I will also show the change log from the Discord, the YSO announcement, which I organize it into my Discord server. By the way, he also is buying a brand new X5M because he's my friend. He's telling me that, and he said to ride with him. Okay. Damn, that's a clean spec. It's literally stock. He done nothing. He just buy it. He didn't even tune it. He only got 93 in his gas. By the way, take me to the new location. Okay, let's see the change log. Here are the change log, and the change logs are added one new code. Damn, Bodif. And added 5 new cars, 4 sedan. 不是 No, 4 SUV and 1 sedan. By the way, that's all the change log. The code is in the change log. I kind of forgot. It's called 3 mil visit. I just looked back at it. It is called 3 mil visit. That's the code. You can redeem it for 30k cash. That's not a lot, but it's a minimum. Look, he's taking me to the brand new dealer. My car is parked upstairs, by the way. No, he is going into the building. Is he trying to customize? I think so. There's also Game Pass gifting. You can send gift to other player. You can send Game Pass to other player, like your friend. My friend Tenders24. He actually copied my name, by the way. And he's right now tuning the car, I think. No, he's going. He's not tuning it. He's actually not tuning it. He just left. He just came back. He just hit a wall. He's still gonna customize or what? Seems like nothing has changed so far. Bruh, is he gonna do anything? I'm not gonna look at the webcam for now. By the way, that's my car, the 2 red car. the Olic, which is the Cadillac drag. Hey, don't hit my car! By the way, I will do another video later, tomorrow, and that's gonna be it. But stay tuned. I'm gonna do a car meet video with my friend, 3 friends. Actually, 50 friends. Most of them are not gonna come. Anyways, I'm just gonna do a car meet with around 2 to 3 friends. Okay. Bye bye. I forgot one thing. Like and subscribe. Bye.